Black here, and in this short YouTube tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can download audio from Tumblr. What you want to do is make sure you're on the website tumblr.com and select audio from the top bar there, and then just find one that you like, but don't click the play button. Just where the play button is, right click it, click on where it says inspect. You don't want to click on where it says network, then right click here, click open in new tab there, and click on, when you've done it, open in new window. You get this image and then click the download arrow, or the down, it will show you, just to show you what it looks like anyway. Click that down arrow, it will start downloading, and then that's that downloaded, so you can see that it's played. Right click on it, that's this downloaded. And to make sure the file is done, just click on downloads. So to make sure it's done, click the file. And there it's done. And that is how you download audio from the website tumblr.com. And if this video was helpful and useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos on Wednesdays.